Erika Kirk is asking a Utah court for a speedy trial in the case against the man accused of killing her late husband, Charlie Kirk. 4 months have passed now since the conservative activist was assassinated. 6 News anchor Lori Tucker brought in WATE legal analyst Greg Isaacs to help us understand the rights of a victim and the rights of the accused in American courts.
Greg, thank you for walking us through the update in this case.
It's good to be here, Lori.
Well, here's the deal. The Constitution guarantees the right to a speedy trial. Isn't that for the defendant, though? Why would a victim's widow make a request like this? What would be the benefit?
You know, in the unfortunate Turning Point USA, call it what it is, assassination of Charlie Kirk, we're now involved in the criminal prosecution of Robinson. And, you know, the nation is watching, and there was a big salvo fired in that Utah courtroom. The widow of Charlie Kirk, Erika, filed a motion for a speedy trial as a victim.
And again, what would be the purpose here? What would be the benefit?
Well, the Utah statute for victims, their Victim Right Act, parallels the Tennessee Constitutional Amendment, Article 1, Section 35, and victims have certain absolute rights. You have the right to confer with the prosecutor, you have the right to be present at all meetings, you have a right to be involved in plea negotiations, and what's at issue here, you have a right to a prompt and speedy disposition of the case. Now, but the caveat, that is without unnecessary delay. Now, on the other hand, the defendant, as all defendants, has a fundamental right to a fair trial. And Utah has as capital punishment. Prosecutors have still not made that charging decision. But if you're the defense, you are sitting there with teams of experts. You're looking at the DNA. You're looking at all the stuff. You're waiting for autopsies, pathology. I would venture to say that you have this individual undergoing a battery of forensic, psychological, psychiatric testing.
Do you think that's why Tyler Robinson has not entered a plea yet? And how unusual is that at this point in the case?
It could be, but this goes to show the unfortunate symbiotic relationship between the victims in the courtroom and the citizen accused. But, you know, it's interesting. Tennessee had over 500,000 crimes last year. For every crime, there's a victim. But let me tell you the practical effect. When you file a motion for speedy trial as a victim, judges hear it, prosecutors hear it. So when you go to a motion hearing and you're saying, we need more time for this, my expert has a conflict, no, you're going to see the screws tighten a little bit, and you're going to see them give Robinson a fair trial, but it's going to be a fair trial without unnecessary delay.
And what constitutes unnecessary delay?
It depends on the issues and your good faith basis as a defense lawyer on raising those issues. Not just a continuance for the sake of continuance, but interesting, the defense has filed for a no cameras in the courtroom, a change of venue, and I think Erika Kirk's going full speed ahead, damn the torpedoes. So a lot of fireworks this week in that court in Utah.
All right, absolutely. Greg, thank you so much. And we should note Tyler Robinson set to be in court again coming up February 3rd. We'll keep you updated.